Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Roasted spiced potatoes.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Loz, and we're the
CO
CO crew, spreading the word about carbon monoxide.
We love getting outside now it's summer, especially for a barbecue. And we've got another great recipe idea for you. It's really quick and easy.
And most importantly, seriously delicious. So, get ready for roasted spiced potatoes. This spicy veggie side goes brilliantly with every barbecue.
To start with, take 4 medium-sized potatoes and carefully chop each into cubes, say 1 centimetre wide. Once cubed, pop them into a bowl and toss them in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then scoop them onto some kitchen foil that's big enough to fold over and make a parcel.
Who doesn't love a parcel?
Next up, chop a large onion into thin wedges and sprinkle them over the potatoes. It's then time to get spicy. Take it away, Lars.
To make a tasty barbecue seasoning, we're going to need a tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, and dry mustard. Mix them together in a bowl and sprinkle over the potatoes and onions. Then wrap the foil into that parcel, making sure there aren't any gaps. Then it's time for the barbie.
Ask an adult to place the parcel in the embers of the barbecue, and in around 30 minutes the potatoes should be soft, spicy, and sensational.
And that's another great recipe for your barbecue from the CO crew. Now remember to always use your barbecue out in an open space and never inside anywhere.
As well as making sure that your house doesn't smell of smoke, barbecues produce a gas called carbon monoxide. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it, but it can make you feel ill or worse.
That's why it's important to follow these rules to stay safe.
Give the barbecue lots of space in the open air. Never take them indoors or inside a tent or even a gazebo.
Make sure gas barbecues are working correctly and are properly assembled.
It's not difficult to stay safe, and it's worth taking the time to make sure nothing spoils the perfect barbecue. Well, almost nothing.
Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Look online for barbecue recipe cards and how you can send the CO crew your favourite recipe. You may even win a prize. Find out more at funkidslive.com/CO crew.